Today I'm gonna show you glow effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here is the normal video clips. I will do a little color correction on a video footage. I will increase saturation and contrast. As you can see, the video is a bit more colorful than before. Duplicate the layer, press Alt and mouse right click. Then we will go Effect and search Luma key and leave it the top up layer. And we will go Effect Control and increase the cutoff 25%. Again we will go Effect and search Gaussian blur and leave it the top up layer. Then we will go Effect Control and increase blurriness 50%. You can increase it if you want. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.